Hello Techie, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Solution. I want to teach you the Python as the fastest way as possible and more practical way. Now before we get started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification by clicking on the bell icon. If you watch my last video, basically I tried to cover how you are going to handle the files. Okay, and in the file handles I show you how we are going to open the file, and in the open the file we have the four options. That's like how we are going to read the file for R, A for append, W for write, and C for create the files. And even that we have the two options, that is T for text and B for binary. Okay, now and other than that, when you are going to open the file, how we are going to read the file using read, and how we are going to read only parts of the files. In the last video that I covered all this topic. Today I am going to cover how we are going to write to an existing files. Okay, today we cover how we are going to write to an existing file. Okay, in the file you see it, right? We have the demo files and we have the four contents. We have some content. Hello, welcome to demo file.txt. This file is for testing purpose. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to add the some content into the existing file, demo file. Okay, we had two options in to write an existing file. You must have add a parameter to the open functions. Okay, before going to write we have to use open function. Okay, and other than that we have option A. If you want to append to a content into existing file, will append to the end of the file. Okay, and for W to write, if you will overwrite to an existing file. Okay, the difference is there here. A for append, if you are going to add something into the demo file we have to use A. Okay, and if you are going to write all the content, new content into the existing file, then we have to W. What W will do, he will overwrite all the existing content with the new one. Okay, let's go with the example. First we are going to open the existing file. We have open, we have demo file, and what we are going to do, we are going to add some content into the demo files. We open, now we are going to write something new. The file has more content. Okay, now you see it here, we use A for that, right? This is for append. Now we are going to append something to an existing file, demo file. Okay, now after that remember we use close for safe side. Okay, now when we are going to run it, what will happen, new the file has more content, that is going to add into the demo file. Okay, let's run and see. Okay, exactly, now go, right? New the file has more content. Now we append the new the file has more contents into the demo file. Okay, this is clear now. Now I'm going to say to overwrite the contents. Okay, let's remove. Now same file we are going to open with override. Then for that we have to use W enter app.write. Oops, I have delete the content. Okay, and after that print app.close. Okay, for closing the file. Okay, now after that what we are going to open the file for read purpose. Okay, and print f.read. Okay, we go one by one. What we happen first? We are doing first. We are open the demo file for overwriting the existing content with oops I have deleted the content. Okay. After that we close the file here. Now what the content into the existing file after overwrite the contents, then we have to read for the demo file using R. Okay, this is for read the new file, new content of the same file. Okay, and that will print f.read. Okay, let's run and see. Okay, oops, I have deleted the content, and if you see demo file, then what will happen? See, this all the things is overridden. Okay, and now the new content is replaced with the oops I have deleted the content. Okay, and for this one you see it, we read oops I have deleted the content. Okay, this is clear now. Now we are going to show it how we are going to create a new file. To create a new file in the Python, we have to use open function with the following parameter. What are the following parameter that we are going to use for creating a new file? Create a new file. Okay. For that, X we are going to use for create. Okay. We'll create a new file. Okay, if we will create a new file, if the file already exit, right, then it will give you error, returns an error if the file exists. Okay, let's go with the example. F dot open, we are going to demo file and using X. What will happen here? See, demo file is already there right here. Now if you are going to create the file that already there and in the particular path, in the same path, right, then it will give the error. Let's run and see. Right, file exit error. Okay, he's saying file exit demo file, but if you are going to use just like demo file 1, then it will not give error and it will create the file here. Okay, let's run and see. Okay, you see it here, right? New file is created here with the text. Okay, with no content. Okay, this is clear now. Now we are going to say a append will create a file if the specified file doesn't exist. Okay, let's go with a. What he will happen? Use append will create a file if the specified file doesn't exist. Okay, let's same example if we are going to use a with the demo file 2. Okay, let's run and see. Demo file 2 will create. Okay, demo file 2 will create with the no content. Okay, that is clear. Now if you are going to use same with demo file, then it is already exit, right, then it will give the no error, right, because we are going to use a, right. If you are going to use X, that will tell you the new file is created, then it will give the error, right, file exit error, because X is going to create the completely new file, right. Okay, and when you are going to use a, this is going to create the new file if the file doesn't exist. If the file exit, then what he will do, he will going to append the file if you want to append the some content into the existing files. Okay, that's the difference between X and a. Okay, now I'm going to show you W. What W will do? Write will create a file if the specified file doesn't exist. Will create a file if the specified file doesn't exist. Same like if I'm going to use W, okay, instead of AM, now I'm going to use W. Let's run and see what will happen. It will not give any error. Okay, and if you're going to write something on that, then it will write into the demo file. Okay, in the some contents. f dot write. If we're going to append something, then we have to use f dot write and add something. New file is exist. Okay, and after that we are going to close the file. Okay, let's run and see. Okay, what now said was demo file. New file is exit. Okay, the same content we are going to overwrite here into the new file exit. Okay, this is clear now. Now I am going to show how we are going to delete the file. Okay, let's close this file. Let's remove all this function. Now I am going to say how to delete a file. Okay, to delete a file you must import the OS module and run its os.remove function. What we have to use? Import os. Okay, and we have to use os.remove function. And what we have to pass? Okay, demo file 1 is extra, right? And we have to use demo file 1 and run it. What will happen? Demo file 1 is going to delete it, right? Let's run and see. Okay, now you are not able to demo file 1. Now if you are going to remove demo file 2, then 2, and let's run it, right? It's deleted from here. Okay, this is very important. Okay, now before check if the file exit. What will happen if you are going to delete again demo file 2 and doesn't exit here? What will happen? It will give the error, right? File not found error, right? The system cannot find the file specified demo file 2. Okay, now what we have to do to avoid this one? We have to avoid to getting an error. You might want to check if the file exit before try to delete it. Okay, let's remove everything. Import os, enter if os dot path dot exist, okay, to demo file 2. Okay, if is exit, then we have to remove os dot remove demo file 2. Okay, else we have to use print the file doesn't exist, okay, in the specified path. Okay, now what will have? Demo file 2 is not there, right? Now if you are going to delete, then what will happen? If we come to this block, and it will be in the file doesn't exist in the specified file. For the runtime error, file not found error, to avoid it. Okay, let's run and see. Okay, the file doesn't exist in the specified. If you are going to add this like a file demo file 2, okay, let's create. Now if you are going to run it, then it will remove os dot, and let's print demo file to remove. Okay, to print it file is come into the if block. Let's run and see. Okay, now we're printing demo file to remove, and the demo file to what is there is completely removed. Okay, this is clear now. Now I'm going to show how we are going to delete the entire folder. For use this us.rmdir. Okay, now let's delete everything here. Now I'm going to show how to delete the entire folder. For that we have one folder file here. Now we want to delete this file. Okay, for that what we have to do? Import os.rmdir, and we have to use folder name file. I will suggest before going to perform this operation, be careful to this, because if you are going to execute this one, what the content inside the file, just like any file that you are going to contain demo file 2, any Python file, that is going to completely remove from this one. For deleting this file, what we have to use? We have to use os.rmdi and pass the file. Now what will happen? If you are going to execute this one, that it will completely delete this file. Okay, be careful to execute this code. Okay, let's run and see. Right, you see it here, right? The file is deleted from here. Okay, for today that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm going to post more and more video on daily basis. So if you want to watch my video in future, just subscribe in below bell icon with all. He will notify you when my new video will come. And please don't forget to like and share. We will meet once again in new video with new topic. Thank you.